Fusion 360 set it showing an error when you try to extrude text is a very common problem for beginners and even experienced CAD users as well. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why the Fusion 360 error extruding text happens and several easy ways to fix it step by step. By the end, you'll be able to extrude any text cleanly for logos, labels, and 3D prints. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and quick CAD fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. When text refuses to extrude in Fusion 360, the most common fix is using the Explode Text option. Start by opening the sketch that contains your text. Click on the text object so it becomes highlighted. Then right-click and choose Explode Text. Fusion 360 will convert the text into standard sketch lines and curves. This allows you to manually clean the geometry. Look for tiny gaps, overlapping lines, or duplicate edges because these small issues often stop the extrude command from recognizing a closed profile. Trim extra lines, close any gaps, and make sure every letter forms a fully closed shape. Another very common cause of the Fusion 360 error extruding text is the font itself. Some decorative cursive or script fonts contain messy geometry that CAD software struggles to interpret. If your extrusion fails, try editing the text and switching the font to something simple like Arial to Homer or another clean sans serif font. Standard fonts usually have smoother curves and properly closed shapes, which makes them much easier for Fusion 360 to extrude successfully. If letters in your text are touching or slightly overlapping, Fusion 360 may also produce an extrusion error. To fix this, double-click the text in your sketch to open the Edit Text menu. Look for the character spacing setting and slowly increase it until each letter has a small gap between them. Separating the characters prevents overlapping profiles and often resolves the extrusion problem immediately. If you simply want text placed on a surface like a part label, logo, or engraving, another great solution is using the Emboss tool. Instead of using Extrude, go to Create and choose Emboss. Then select your text profile and the face of the model where you want the text applied. The Emboss command is much more tolerant of complex shapes and curved surfaces, so it often works even when a normal extrude fails. And that's how to fix the Fusion 360 error extruding text. If this video helped you solve the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.